Time for the obligatory coffee montage. My time at Mittry Lake has come to an end. You can only be here for 10 days, so it's time to pack all this up and go. I'm out of water, my sands are full, I need more propane for my spare tank, I need more milk, I need stuff. So I'm gonna run to the base, dump the tanks, get fresh water, get some gasoline for my generator, get some propane, do a little laundry, and get some more groceries. Then I'm off to Kofa. It's a national refuge. It's also part of the dark sky, so it should be really bright on Wednesday night because it'll be full moon. And then 14 days, right? All right. 14 days later, it should be no moon. So it should be as dark as possible, so I should get some really good night skies. Sherman's got bullet holes. Check it out. I'm at Kofa. Hope I'm saying that right. Kofa? I think it's Kofa. I hope it's Kofa National Wildlife Refuge. This is also part of what's known as dark sky. So hopefully tonight and tomorrow night, especially tomorrow night when it'll be a new moon, it'll be complete darkness. There's some light out this direction from the city of Yuma. Otherwise, there's pretty much no light out here at nighttime. I was out here almost 2 weeks ago when it was a full moon, and it's pretty eerie how much light this is all lit up from just the moon. It's a pretty unique area out here. So we're gonna drive into Kofa. You can camp out here for 14 days. But I'm just gonna drive in here. I'm camped right over here just outside of Kofa's National Wildlife. Now it's not a whole lot of rules out here, and it's pretty much open terrain. But as you can see, there's one rule I'm disappointed. I'm not allowed to use my drone, which is unfortunate because check this out. This is probably one of the best places to fly a drone and not worry about hitting anything because there's just open terrain. But I can't use my drone. Unfortunately, for some of you people who like to do some gold mining, yeah, it can come out here and pan. Too bad. And don't forget that the refuge used to be part of the military testing ground, so watch out where you step. There might be something a little bit more shocking than one expects. So I'm camped out here. So far I've driven all the way in past this point and then turned around and came back. But all this road off the highway is all gravel, dirt, rock road. It gets pretty rough in some places, but otherwise it's not too bad. Now, this whole area you're not allowed to collect rocks, except way back up here near Quartzsite. You can collect rocks up here though. There's a few interesting locations. Burnt Wagon Tank, Never Sweet Ridge, Charlie Died Tank, rocks are much harder than over at Mittry Lake. There's a definite cling sound to it. Like iron. Banging against iron. All this dark rock, black stuff that's out here, it's a little smoother, not so bad. It's a little heavy though. Probably a lot of iron in it. This white rock that's all out here, it's pretty heavy too. But it's got a lot of really jagged edges. So if you fall on this, it's going to tear off some flesh. It's not as heavy, but it's pretty dense. But that's got a lot of jagged edges, so this is going to tear up your dog's feet, tear up your sneakers, walking a lot on this. Definitely don't want to fall on it, because that's gonna make the baby bleed. Idea how far into Kofa I am. Up here's I-10, that's Quartzsite. Down here's I-8 and there's Yuma. So I'm not that far in. This is the view you get just shortly coming in to Kofa. Here's the fox burrow. So I'm guessing up inside there he's still asleep. So I got the trail camera set up. This looks like the main burrow. Then there's another burrow over here. So he's got a couple different ways for this fox to get in and out of here. But hopefully with the camera set up there, I should get him. Only took 2 years to get around to finally fixing it.